El Gato Rainbow en la Gata Moon. The day Gata Moon organized her toys. Hi guys! It looks like Gato Rainbow is a little bit sad. What happened? Don't tell me that Gato Rainbow has lost his favorite stuffed animal. That's so sad. If you can remember where you played with it for the last time, it will be easier to find it. Looks like Gato Rainbow really likes his stuffed animal, but he doesn't seem to know where he put it. Wait a minute, Gato Moon has a weird look on her face. Do you know something? She was dancing with a sardine! And then she just threw it on the floor. Oh, Gato Moon, let's go find it. We're going, Gato Moon! Gato Rainbow, come on! Your stuffed animal is in Gato Moon's room! What a mess, Gato Moon! We talked about this! There are clothes, stuffed animals, and more toys on the floor! Guys, if the sardine is in this room, you're going to have to organize it in order to find it. There's no other choice. Gato Moon, this is your room and you have to help us organize it. Let's see, guys. So, how can we do this? Gato Rainbow had an idea, but what is it? He brought 3 boxes. 1, 2, and 3. Why does he need so many boxes? Oh, I see! We're going to classify all your things in 3 groups, Gato Moon. That way, we will find the sardine for sure. In this box, you will put all the clothes. In this one, all the stuffed animals. And in this one, all the toys that you find. That's it! First, the clothes. Then, the stuffed animals. And finally, the toys. Gato Rainbow and Gato Moon tidied up the room, and it looks amazing, but where's the sardine? Gato Moon, let's go back to when you danced with it. You were dancing, you left her on the floor, and then what happened? I hear some steps. It's Gato Rainbow! I really wasn't expecting this. As it turns out, Gato Rainbow saw the sardine and took it. Oh, Gato Rainbow, this is so funny! And then what? It had fell on your chips? And you put it in the washing machine, of course! Well done, Gato Rainbow! Here it is! You found it, guys! And on top of that, it is now so clean! Gato Rainbow is so happy! And Gato Moon has been a great sister helping him find it. See you soon, guys!